anti-corruption crusader, Vitus Azeem. Wakase chirem say, Office of the Special Prosecutor, you turn it here, I can say OSP no. A Monday boy, one bono, a so any pa ni senti. A woman here say Ghana for you, and we boy and some party man of his edge, we are no. A Juma son pan. Nandra da Emra OSP, I can say, do chim say. Akane omanpeninda da John Dramani Mahama. Wosha eye Airbus eho sensema ekoba ye nyina na Ghana fo bi. Esusu sei obono homadia kwaje ademudia efasa jezene Airbus na ho no o kirem sei. Sana moto na babu na omanpeninda da na ne din ahya ase no eye government official one. Ene de ye ade na emu eye no kure pa. Nanzo wi ani nsem na o kirem sei hwehwema hodo a waye ni nyina achi no. One kisi ajabi kirem sei. Omanpeninda da John Dramani Mahama no na ye ade antanse bia bon ho sei. Okwa kwaje ademudia anasa kwata sese bia ni senti. Sanse nsema no Ghana fo nyina bontungu baabi kra esi ekasa na ko baabi akwa akwatwere kran. Nendo da emra wakasa akamu prema temu ene jesense mtrafo gi ahyem na okirem sei. Hwehwema hodo afanse nsem ni nyina no abawie yenti Ghana fo yi. Muntum na every say wa hu pra ne kankan bia anfa omampenda da John Dramani Mahama ho. Na sanse nsema ba bonten pe ene bibia manyoko na so redi na kirem se tapi. Sanse nsema na jazene yakise jabe keke ka no. Ei papa yi na de na wuchirei. Ensema ko PM UK for company for kekan ya zo mampenda da John Dramani Mahama. Wohwema ne hu bo akata to mu pa na adenti na ne. Wanya kukudura beja kekan ka sansem we de kire Ghana fo to mu chem se dabi. Sansem tan na ko so no mo de mo ne ejese OSP anya adwen kran. Nandra da nyasem kuma na Deputy General Secretary Edman Pipa Manyuko no. Heluna Mohammed ebo maden ka sa kirim sei. Wohwa na mo wakise dabi atu no de onte ase free sei. Dia waye ohuni sa tanche bi eya koso. Adenti na wanto no bo ase ayan hwehwemu ankwa kire ahwehwemu ye na we de sa kwadwere adwuma bi ne wa hye ne sente one de ohuni sa na mawa kise da bia tuo no emu oya pa ojemre ene santrafo kasaye emu kiremu nie.
Using the law, there are always opinions in the use of the law. There could be a different special prosecutor who may rely on another provision of the law to prosecute his case. So we are not faulting him for work for his opinion, but we are saying he did a shoddy work. We have proceed to gather the evidence to go ahead. But what is most important is that we all know that government official one was related to corruption issues, was convicted and was announced in the UK, and we have now confirmed and unmasked that the former president of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, was the government official one, and his brother Samuel Mahama was the one that took the bribe, the money that was paid, and it is confirmed that he was the one sending the emails directly as vice president and the government official in Ghana, the Airbus. The third party has no business even in the development or even shipment of aircraft. Well, the point is that the OSP has strengthened the case of the MPP that John Mahama is government official one, which you agree with me. OSP too has said that his brother is Samuel Mahama, who is also identified in the criminal prosecution in the UK. The OSP has also said that he could have recused himself because of conflict of interest, which he did not do, which is also an offense in Ghana. Remember, crime has no expiry date. You know that in our law books, crime has no expiry date. There's no definitive result to crime, and at any point in time, these confirmations can be dealt with. This judgment has come, or this particular investigation report has just come in the early days yet. Our lawyers will also look at it. The MPP will take our position, but we are very happy that the government official one is clearly John Dramani Mahama, who is a corrupt individual in this country, who has been investigated before, who has been involved in the hunger issues, which was investigated under his own boss.
Eni awuti ye Deputy General Secretary Edema MPP Amanyuko no Heluna Mohammed nende ena wote ye no eno achine Vitus Azeem kirem say adwuma sompa OSP abone de Ghana fo nyina ye ko nhira so a ye mo ye homo ne se papa we betumi ahira ne preference adwuma na watu na kukudura na mon na adwuma wa bono ende ohunu se emu da hopa osaso kirem say atemo ye na ba ye no sankako Edema MPP Amanyuko na anka wono so endi ze Amanyuko no ebe sore aka akese tia se we de katasose bia kroso nanso ankwa ma wondom keke kasa de senti adwuma wa bona ye nti Ghana fo nyina ye mo ye nsem emfa kisi ajaben.
You see, it is possible that the UK used a certain law to find that there was something wrong. But even the UK has not come after these people. And the Office of Federal Prosecutor don't use that law or that procedure. You might have talked about the conflict of interest. And there are instances of conflict of interest, either actual conflict of interest, potential conflict of interest, and perceived conflict of interest. And so maybe there was potential conflict of interest because they were brothers and they were involved in the transaction, or even perceive people from outside viewing it as a conflict of interest. But the special prosecutor has been very specific on this one, that one, their relationship, the present relationship with his brother did not influence the transaction, and that no bribes were paid as a result of this transaction. So I don't see why somebody should even say that the special prosecutor did a shoddy job because you didn't want him to come out with a finding that you don't expect. But of course, we're in an election year and these things are expected. If the special prosecutor has found John Mahama culpable, the NDC will have come out to accuse the special prosecutor of also maybe doing similar shoddy job. And so I'm not surprised that NDP2 has also come out to say that well, the special prosecutor, the only worry to do is that the special prosecutor's rules, especially with regards to his relationship with